Hi, Eric. What are you doing, cutie pie? Got your hair cut. There's Scotty. Hi, Scotty. Mommy's taking videos. Say hi.
Hi.
We're going to send this to Grandma on the computer. How are you? You got your hair cut? You both look so nice. When did Dita cut your hair? When did Dita cut? Oh, no more hugs for you. When did Dita cut your hair? Scotty, when did Dita cut your hair?
Just before you came.
Just before I came? Wow. So it's nice and new.
Yeah.
That's nice looking. Eric too. Mom's gonna get her hair cut again soon.
What is Eric doing?
What is Eric doing? Eric is rocking. But he's not bouncing, so that's okay. I think, as long as he's not poopy.
What is Eric doing? You just putting over?
I don't know. What you doing, Eric? Where are you going? Oh, he's going away. He says, I'm going to go away from Scotty. He wants his space.